Your question is ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 10 meter and D the midpoint of BC. Charges plus 100 microcoulomb minus 100 microcoulomb and plus 75 microcoulomb are placed at B, C and D respectively. Find force on 1 microcoulomb placed at A. This is your question. ठीक है, तो solution. ABC is a triangle, equilateral triangle having its three sides equal. A, B, C. ABC is a equilateral triangle. 100 microcoulomb charge is placed at B and minus 100 microcoulomb charge is placed at vertex C. And D is the midpoint of equilateral triangle. At point D, charge of 75 microcoulomb is placed. Charge of 75 microcoulomb is placed. 75 microcoulomb. And charge of 1 microcoulomb is placed at point A. We have to find force on charge placed at A. 1 microcoulomb charge. This is your 1 microcoulomb charge. We have to find force on this. Okay. How we find? तो प्लस 100 microcoulomb charge repel the 1 microcoulomb charge in BA direction. So this is the force on A due to B. ठीक है. And minus 100 microcoulomb charge attract plus 1 microcoulomb charge in the direction. So this is your FAC. ठीक है. And plus 75 microcoulomb charge repel 1 microcoulomb charge in DA direction. So this is your force FD. Force on D, force on A due to D. This is vertex. ठीक है. So three force act on 1 microcoulomb charge. On 1 microcoulomb charge, three force act. This is repelled by D and repelled by B and attracted by C. ठीक है. Now we have to find net force acting on charge of magnitude 1 microcoulomb. So we resolve these forces into two perpendicular direction. ठीक है. In two mutually perpendicular direction, let x direction and this is your y direction. So we resolve these forces in x and y direction. ठीक है. So this is equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. D is midpoint. So AD is perpendicular on BC. Because in equilateral triangle, median bisect the median is perpendicular bisector. ठीक है. So this is your 30 degree. This is your 30 degree. ठीक है. Whole angle is 60 degree. This bisect the angle. Median AD bisect the angle. ठीक है. तो this angle will be, अच्छा, AX is parallel to BC. AY is perpendicular to BC. So this is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. ठीक है. और this angle is alternate angle. This BC is parallel to AX and AC is joining line. So alternate angle. ठीक है. AX is parallel to BC AB is BA is joining line, so this is your corresponding angle, this is your 60 degree. ठीक है, and now we resort forces in x and y direction. ठीक है, तो FD is already in y direction, so FD cos 90, component of FD in x direction will be 0 because FD makes 90 degree. FD makes 90 degree with x direction. So component of FD in x direction will be FD cos 90. FD cos 90 is 0. अच्छा, FAC makes 60 degree with x axis. So component of FAC in x direction will be FAC cos 60. FAC cos 60. And component of FAB in x direction will be FAB cos 60. FAB cos 60. ठीक है, component of FAC in AD direction is FAC sin 60. FAC sin 60. ठीक है, and component of FAB in x direction is this, and in y direction will be FAB sin 60. FAB sin 60. ठीक है, देखिए, if any vector makes angle theta with x axis, then component of vector A in x direction A cos theta, in y direction A sin theta. तो FAC makes angle 60 degree with x axis, so FAC cos 60, and in y direction FAC sin 60. FAB makes 60 degree with x axis, so component of FAB in x direction is FAB cos 60, in y direction is FAB sin 60. FDA is already in y direction. FD, part of component of FDA in x direction will be FDA cos 90. FDA cos 90 is 0. So thus two force act in x direction, FAB cos 60 and FAC cos 60. ठीक है, तो net force in x direction, net force in x direction, net force in x direction Fx is equal to FAB cos of 60 or plus FAB cos of 60. FAB cos 60, FAC cos 60. FAC cos of 60. ठीक है, FAB and FAC are equal in magnitude because source charge is 100 microcoulomb and 100 microcoulomb. ठीक है, and test charge is 1 microcoulomb. So Q1 Q2 are same in both the pairs. So FAB is equal to, and distance is same, side of equilateral angle is same, AB is equal to AC. So force depend on distance and charge, product of charge. So product of charge is same and distance is same. So FAB and FAC will be same. So FAB is equal to FAC. ठीक है, so Fx is equal to force in x direction is equal to 2 FAB cos of 60. ठीक है, तो 2 FAB cos 60 is half, so Fx is equal to FAB, this is your Fx. Now we find Fy, mean force in y direction. तो 3 force act in y direction, FAB sin 60, FDA and FAC sin 60. FAB sin 60, FDA is in positive y direction and FAC sin 60 is in negative y direction. So net force in y direction will be Fy is equal to force in positive y direction is taken as positive and negative direction taken as negative. FAB sin of 60, ठीक है, sin 60. If we consider this direction as positive, so this direction will be negative. So this is taken as negative. These two forces are taken as positive. FAB sin 60 minus FAC sin 60 or plus FAD. तो FAB is equal to FAC. Sin secant cancel. These two forces cancel because FAB is equal to FAC. ना? So FY is equal to FAD. तो FY is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught. So this is your FY. Now net force. The two force act in a direction. Now we find resultant of Fx and Fy. The Fx force is along x-axis, Fy force is along y-axis. So these two forces are mutually perpendicular. So resultant of mutually perpendicular force F square is equal to Fx square plus Fy square. ठीक है, राइट वैल्यू ऑफ Fx and Fy. तो Fx is find value of Fx. The Fx is 1/4 pi epsilon naught. That is 9 into 10⁴ in SI system. Charge on A, Fx is equal to FAB. तो charge on A is 100 microcoulomb. So write here 100. This value is in SI system. This value is in SI system. So we write value of charge in SI system. So chain microcoulomb into coulomb. So to chain microcoulomb into coulomb we multiply by 100. We multiply by 10⁻⁻⁶. Charge on B. Charge on B is charge on A. We have to find FAB. So charge on B into charge on A. So charge on A is 1 microcoulomb. So change it into coulomb -6 upon square of distance. So distance is side of distance between these two charges is side of equilateral triangle, which is 10 meter. So write here 10 square. Right here 10 square, square of distance. ठीक है. Now we simplify this. So this become 9 into 10⁻⁹, ठीक है, और into 10⁻, in multiplication on same base power added. तो -6 plus 9 plus 2, ठीक है. तो upon 100, तो this come in numerator become -2, ठीक है. So force in your direction is 9 into 10⁻⁹, 9 -6 -6, ठीक है, plus 2 and -2, plus 2 and -2 cancel, and 9 minus 12 is -3 Newton. So this is your force in x direction. Now we find force in y direction. So force in y direction is FAD. So coulomb constant 9 into 10⁻⁹ into charge on A, FAD. Right, charge on A is 100 into 10⁻⁻⁶ into charge on D. Charge on A is 1 into 10⁻⁻⁶ or into charge on D. Charge on A is 1 into 10⁻⁻⁶ and charge on D is 75 into 10⁻⁻⁶ upon square of AD. The square of AD is equal to AD square is equal to A square minus A by 2 whole square. So A square minus A square by 4. So 3 by 2 A. This is your AD. The right value of AD. AD square become 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into A square. A square is 100. A square is A is 10 meters, so 100. So now we simplify. तो 3 1 जा 3 3 जा, ठीक है, और this 4 multiply this, so Fy become 12 into 75 into 10 raised power 9 minus 6 minus 6 10 raised power 3 minus 3, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई 60 और 12 5 जा 60, 12 7 जा 84 6 90, राइट है 90 इंटू 10 raised power minus 3, ठीक है, तो Fy is equal to this Newton, divide by 100, so divide by 100 minus 2, so here minus 2, so it this become minus 5, so Fy is equal to 9 into 10 raised power minus 3 Newton, okay. Now we write this value in this equation, then we get f square is equal to, right, fx fx is value of fx we have to find, value of fx is 9 into 10 raised power minus 3, so write here 9 into 10 raised power minus 3 whole square with plus 9 into 10 raised power minus 3 whole square, ठीक है, so this become f is equal to 9 into 10 raised power minus 3 into root 2, ठीक है, so f is equal to 9 into root 2 into 10 raised power minus 3 Newton, 10 raised power minus 3 Newton. So this is your net force acting on charge placed at it. So force is a better quantity. We have to determine its magnitude. To express in vector completely, we need magnitude and direction. So we have to specify magnitude. Now we specify its direction. Okay. So to find direction, let resultants makes angle alpha with the x-axis. Then tan alpha is equal to Fy upon Fx. The Fy is 9 into 10 raised power minus 3. Fx is also 9 into 10 raised power minus 3. So this is 1. Okay. So tan alpha is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 45. Tan 45 is 1. It will resultant makes 45 degree from x-axis. This is your resultant. This makes 45 degree. So that's your force. Force is 9 root 2 into 10 raised power minus 3 Newton at 45 degree, ठीक है, from BC. AX is parallel to BC. From BC. We can say from BC or from AX. Or BC. This is your answer.